traffic stops. Northbound, a white Chevy pickup. It's gonna be Louisiana. Out with the black Mercedes passenger car, Texas X-ray George, X-ray 2087. And then a Louisiana tag. Stand by, I'll get you that second 28. Louisiana Zebra 668046, white Chevy Silverado.
Hi there, Trooper Brown with Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm stopping both of y'all is because y'all speed. Any reason you're in a hurry tonight?
I just wasn't paying attention, honestly.
Okay. Got your insurance in there too?
It's in
What you are called pulling that up? Can I get the license and registration? Alright. Hello, Trooper Brown with Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm stopping both of y'all tonight is because y'all speed.
Yeah.
Any reason we're in a hurry tonight?
I was trying to get over, but you wouldn't let me over. I sped up a little bit.
Okay.
My license.
Mr. Black, you got any weapons or anything like that in the car? Alright. I'm going to tell you something called your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney, have an attorney present during questioning. If you can't afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to you at the government's expense. Do you understand those rights? Because it smells and reeks of weed in here, man.
Never.
Yeah.
No, it don't.
It does. Well, that's the thing. It does.
I don't smoke weed.
Alright.
I don't smoke
Just hang tight. I'll be right back with you. Good to go. Hang tight, I'll be right back with you, okay?
name and number on the board from Jamie Dillard.
Okay. Okay, got it.
28.
County, my internet was down. Can you show a 92 check for the West Benzie Hunting Club? Sir.
Good.
Sorry, I think we called them back. I was unable to make contact with them. Trouble there.
Copy, sir. You clear?
Mr. Miranda, ask me a citation tonight for doing 175. If you have any questions about that fine, call that number down there at the bottom right-hand corner. It'll be White County District Court in Searcy, Arkansas. That address is over there on the left, okay?
Can I pay it online?
Call that number down there at the bottom right-hand corner to find out for sure. Judge, higher speeds like that usually likes to must appear, but with you being out of state, they may make an exception for you.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
You good to go?
Thank you.
Copy, thank you.
Mr. Black, back to what I was talking about. The vehicle reeks of weed. You're gonna step out for me real quick. If this is a little bit, man, I ain't worried about it. I'm not worried about a little bit, but it reeks.
I don't smoke.
Don't matter. I smell it.
I don't smoke.
Step on out. My man, you gotta step out.
You trying to search me. I don't smell like weed.
Alright.
I know
This is the last time I'm asking you to step out.
I don't smell like weed.
I'm about to bust your window out.
You gonna bust my window?
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Newport, 1037.
What's your drive-through time?
Northbound from the 51, the black Mercedes passenger car, the Texas tag.
Big 21, Big 28.
Notify Ball Knob. And anybody else north of that, our speeds are 130 plus.
Well, did you copy?
54 northbound now.
Newport to B12. Did you copy?
Speeds 120. Past the 54 northbound now. Speeds still 127, 130. Newport coming up on the 55. Speed 100. TVI 55 northbound on ramp. Overpass. TVI 55 northbound overpass.
Hands! Hands! Show me your hands!
Show me them!
Get out of the car! Step out of the vehicle! Step out! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up and step out!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Keep your hands up!
Get out of the
Keep your hands up and step out of the car! Keep your hands up!
23, you 10-4.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Trying to force him out of the car now.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Newport, we're trying to get him out of the car.
I'm gonna step up, I gotta take you. I will take you.
Step out of the car!
Get out of the car.
Step out of the car!
Get out of the car! Get out! On your stomach! On your stomach! On your stomach!
Keep your hands spread!
say you gonna
23
bust my
Newport,
window?
we're 1015.
For no reason. Why would you say you gonna bust my window for no reason?
You didn't get out of the car.
You didn't smell
You didn't obey a lawful order.
You didn't smell weed. You didn't smell weed because I don't smoke.
On your feet. I'll put my rifle up. You got them?
Yep. I'll put him in back of mine.